The world's major religions can be broadly classified and divided into Semitic religions and the non-Semitic religions. The Semitic religions are those religions which are followed by the Semites. Who are the Semites? The Semites are the descendants of Shem. And it's mentioned in the Bible, in the Old Testament, in the book of Genesis, chapter number 5 to 11, Shem is mentioned there. And he is the son of Prophet Noah alayhi salam. Peace be upon him. So Semitic religions are those religions which are followed by the Semites, the descendants of Shem, the Jews, the Arabs, the Assyrians, the Phoenicians, who speak the language Hebrew, Arabic, Aramaic, Phoenicians, etc. The major among the Semitic religions are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. The non-Semitic religions can be further divided into Aryan religions and the non-Aryan religions. The Aryan religions are those religions which are followed by the Aryans, a powerful group of Indo-European speaking people who originated from Iran and northern India in the first half of the second millennium, that's 2000 to 1500 BC. The Aryan religions can be further divided into Vedic religion and the non-Vedic religions. The Vedic religion is that religion in which the people follow the Vedas. And it's today called, as a misnomer, as Hinduism or Brahmanism. But the right word should be a Vedantist. The non-Vedic religions are those Aryan religions which do not follow the Vedas, like Sikhism, Jainism, etc. And Zoroastrianism also happens to be an Aryan religion, which is not associated with Hinduism. The non-Aryan religions, they are divided depending upon the origin. For example, those that originated from China, like Confucianism, like Taoism, those that originated from Japan, like Shintoism, etc. But most of these non-Aryan religions, they do not have a concept of God, and they are more often referred to as ethical systems. That is the reason, as far as my talk today is concerned, the concept of God in world's major religions, I will be discussing about Aryan religions and the Semitic religions.